What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the batteries in your heating and cooling thermostat for your house. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to this one. So specifically we're going to be working on a Honeywell thermostat today, but it's going to be the same process for any digital type thermostat like this. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and turn it off right here for the heat and cool function, and then make sure it's on auto function for the fan function over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lift up from the bottom and we're going to pull towards us. With just one hand I should be able to do it. And it kind of hinges on the top, and you just lift up and then should be able to pull the whole thing out. Now some of the models don't hinge and you're just going to want to pull straight out. Then we flip it around, and this one takes 2 AAAs. So you can just go ahead and pop those out. Then we'll get our new ones and pop those in. Now to put this one back on, it's going to be the reverse. We're going to line it up with the top, that hinge part, and then we're just going to lightly drop it down. And now the pins, these metal pins right here, go into these holes, so you don't want to force it because they'll bend. So you just lightly drop it, and it should line up. You can kind of feel it click in. Just press in, snaps in just like that. And that's all there is to it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.